Let's see how to flip a text in Canva. First, we need to open up our design. So we can choose any design. For this sake, I'm choosing poster. Okay, after this, we're gonna move on to the left-hand side and select text. And let's just choose add a heading, type the text we want to flip. Let's say flip this text. So currently in Canva, the only way to flip something is through the Elements tab. So all we need to do is save this text as an image, then we can go on to flipping it. So let's do that right here. Let's do this. This will only take a second. So now it's done downloading. Let's delete this and add this. Now that I've saved this as an image and posted it on my design, I can now select flip here in the toolbar on top. Here it gives me the option to flip horizontal, flip vertical. Well, now you can play with this however you wish. And until you find your desired flip, you can do anything. Once you're satisfied with the flipping, you can move it around and adjust its size to your needs. And that's it. That's how you flip text in Canva. See you soon.